Hello developers, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to convert PDF to image using Python. As you can see that I have already posted an article about this topic on my blog codingdiksha.com. I have also given this article link on the video description. Okay, let's move on to the tutorial. Let me open the Visual Studio Code first. I am using Visual Studio Code for code editing. Now I am going to open the project folder called Python. Yes, it is opened. You can see that inside the Python folder there is a file called sample.pdf. I am going to convert this PDF file to image, PNG or JPG. Okay, right? Let me create a new file. To convert PDF to image, you need to install a library called PDF to image. For that, you need to use this command pip space install space PDF to image. Okay, now I am copying this command. Let me open the new terminal and paste the command and hit enter. As you can see that it is showing requirement already satisfied, which means I have already installed this package, so it is showing like that. If you are installing it newly, then it will download the contents, so you need to add an active internet connection for that. Okay guys, that's it. After that, you need to please note that this is the important step. You need to install Poplar on your system. If you are using Windows, then open the link. Otherwise, if you are using Linux or Mac, you can search Google about Poplar to install that on your system. I am using Windows operating system, so I am going to show you the way how to install Poplar on the Windows operating system. Okay, just open that and download the latest version, which contains the name of release. Right, this is the zip file. Just click that. It will download. Please wait until that. As you can see that it is downloaded successfully. Okay, now let me open the file explorer. You can see here this is the file. Just cut the file and navigate to the program files directory. I am using Windows 10 64-bit operating system, so I am navigating to program files. If you are using 30-bit operating system, you can paste the code in program files x86. Right, go to program files and paste the zip file and right click the zip file and click extract here. Not extract to, just click extract here. Okay, it will ask yes or no, just click yes. As you can see that the Poplar is installed successfully. Right, go to Poplar, open the library folder. You can find the bin folder. Right, open the bin folder and copy the path. Okay, I copied the path. As you can see that I copied the path. Now let me paste the path in new tab. Okay, now I am going to copy and paste the Python code which is used to convert PDF to image, JPG or JPEG or PNG. I copied the code and I am going to save the file as app.py. Okay, you can see here first I import the module PDF to image. Okay, using import convert underscore from underscore path. Right, after that I am going to store the PDF using the convert from path function. For that I created a new variable images equal to convert from path. Inside the first quotation I am going to mention the file name, PDF file name. As you can see that I have a sample.pdf file inside this same folder, so I just used sample.pdf here. The second thing is second parameter is image quality. Right, so if you want a good quality, you have to provide the high number of value like 500 or 1000. Okay, the third path is Poplar path. Right, you need to mention the path here. As I already said that currently the version is 21.11.0, but in future it will change. Right, okay, so while now it is showing 21.11.0, just so here the path is 21.11.0. If in future if the newer version is CST, you don't need to use this command. You need to use the newer version. So make sure the path you have mentioned correctly. I am going to replace the path here. Yes, I replaced it. That's it. This is the main step. Without Poplar, this program will not work. Right, okay. Finally, it will save the files in image format, JPEG or PNG format. I mentioned JPG here. Okay, if you want, you can change it in PNG also. Like, okay. Now let me run this project. For that, let me open a new terminal and type command python space app.py. When I hit enter, you can see that two files are automatically created, page 0.jpg, page 1.jpg. Right, now let me show in the File Explorer. As you can see here, page 0, a simple PDF file. This is the image file. Page 1, simple PDF file 2. Why I am showing this means, in the sample PDF file there are 2 pages. So the program take or convert the PDF file into 2 images, right? For every page it will take a screenshot and store the images as JPEG, right? Okay. That's it guys. I hope this video tutorial helps you to convert PDF to image using Python. If you have any doubts about this video tutorial, then please leave a comment, I will help you. If you want to receive more videos about Python, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.